This program has one try-catch block in it, and we were preventing bad data being entered for the letter A in our quadratic formula. Now we're going to try to do a shortcut to do the same thing for B and for C. So if I highlight the entire line and I right click, I can go to Snippet, Surround With, type in try, hit enter, and it will automatically create a try-catch block for me around that line. Then I can just basically borrow, copy and paste our previous message that we had and change the message to bad data for B, and we are good to go. I can do the same thing then for C. Right click, Snippet, Surround With, and notice there's a shortcut there, Control K S. So I wonder if I just highlight and I do Control K and type in S. I don't know what I just did. Hold on. We obviously increased the font size. Let me highlight this and I will try my Control K S, and I could do then type in try. So you could also use that shortcut. Okay. Our code has gotten a little bit kind of messy here. It's all over the place. It's not indented well. I'm going to copy the catch block there and paste. So there's another shortcut that you guys can use. And remember also just to put in your academic header up here, etc., etc. But there's another shortcut that's kind of nice to use, and that is going to be to reformat your page. To reformat the whole entire page, Control K followed by Control D, if I'm remembering correctly. So we're just going to try this right here. Please notice how this is not lined up, and I can even make it like more ugly and put some things out of alignment. And then let's just try this. Control K, Control D. And notice how it just cleans everything up, realigns everything, and so that's kind of a nice little formatting shortcut. Now we have all of our data are inputted, that are to be inputted, taken care of. If we enter bad data for any one of those, it should give us a message, and then it'll still calculate though. So notice that it's still calculating right here, and we're going to discuss how to solve the miscalculation or how to properly handle that miscalculation in another video.